So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. I am an owner of a fitness center and I receive multiple inquiries from the members as well as leads on my WhatsApp. Now replying to them 24/7 is a very time consuming part. So to solve the problem, I have created an AI agent, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, that is going to reply to all my leads on WhatsApp without me lifting up my finger. Now as I have created this assistant, whenever I receive any of the queries from the members or the leads on my WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn how you can create this amazing AI assistant for your business as well using Pabbly Chatflow, for that I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant for my fitness center is going to work in real time. So this is the assistant that I've created, and towards this assistant I will write my first message. That is, I need help. So I'll write over here as I need help, send the message. As soon as I've done that, within few seconds, it will take few seconds for this AI assistant to reply. So I'll wait over here. It says, I'm here to help. What do you need assistant with? Okay, so my first question over here is going to be, what are your membership plans? Okay, I'm going to send this question. As soon as I forwarded this question right over here, you can see I've received the reply of the membership plans, the basic plan, standard plan, premium plan, and the annual plan. Okay. So now as I've received the plan, I have another question. My next question is, can I get a refund if I cancel my plan? Okay, so I'm going to send this another question. So I'll wait for the reply right here. And I've received a reply, yes, you can get a refund if you cancel your plan within 3 days of joining. Provide your valid reasons. Refund are processed within 7 business days after approval. If you have any other questions or need assistant, ask for anything. So I have another question right over here, that is, how can I join? Okay, so I'm going to ask this question. It says you can join by either visiting your nearest branch or messaging join on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can see right over here, this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my messages. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to simply create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So what you need to do is, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And as I'm going to browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. But before that, we are going to talk about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. In this space, you can ask your questions, share your ideas, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so now we are on the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page. You have two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. After signing into the Pabbly Chatflow account, you will come to the All Pabbly app section where you will see all the applications. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. And then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool using which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversations. In Pabbly Chatflow, you can add multiple WhatsApp numbers according to your requirement. For that, simply you have to click on this Add WhatsApp button, where you will find two methods to add your number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn the tutorials of how you can add your WhatsApp number, you will find both of the tutorial method links in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow provides with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn every single feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the tutorial links in the description section. Okay, now to create a new AI assistant, simply go towards the AI assistant section right here, and then you will land towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to create a new one, click on this Add AI Assistant button, and firstly we have to name our assistant. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as AI Assistant for Fitness Centers. I will add the assistant from here. The assistant is going to be created. Now over here we have multiple sections under the AI assistant that we have to complete step by step. AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and lastly that is styling. Okay, for the instruction, firstly you have to select the type. type, I will select over here as AI agent. If you want to select another type, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. After selecting the type, we have to give the roles and responsibilities to this AI assistant. For that, we have some pre-written responsibilities you can see right over here. You can add more points according to your requirement. Okay. Now next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being more focused replies towards the users and 1 being more creative replies. I want to reply between both of the range, that is going to be 0.5. So I've selected 0.5 right here. AI to use OpenAI model, I will use GPT-4o mini. Next we have to enter an API key. For having the key, go to the hyperlink given here below in the help desk. You will land towards the API key section of OpenAI. Click on this create button. Now we have to name our key. For the name, let's suppose I'll write it as new3, project as default, permission as all, and create the key from here. The key is going to be created, copied from here and paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Okay, simply you can see OpenAI key successfully added. As now it is added, next is AI assistant settings. If you want header or footer messages, toggle these buttons on. Next is stop keywords. If I'm going to toggle it, now what stop keywords are, let's suppose the user sends a message towards this AI assistant. Now the user wants to stop using this AI assistant. For that, simply they can add some keywords and you can add those keywords right here. First keyword, let's suppose of mine is stop. I'll press the enter key, save the keyword. In the same manner, I can add multiple keywords according to my requirement. I have just added these two for the example right now. If you want to have a retry attempt, toggle this button on. Last is fallback message. So let's suppose this key is not working properly of OpenAI. Then this fallback message is going to be forwarded. If you want, you can also change this fallback message from here. Okay. Now after setting up our first section, that is AI instructions, next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is the most important part of this AI assistant. Knowledge source is knowledge base. Now I've created this dummy knowledge base right over here, using which the AI assistant is going to know about my business and reply to all my leads, customers or the members' responses. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we have to upload this knowledge base in this AI assistant right over here. Okay. I've created a dummy knowledge base right over here. You have to give a brief of your business, what you provide, policies, benefits, instructions, plans, everything over here in this knowledge base. Okay. So for uploading it, click on this button right over here. This is the knowledge base. I will open it. Okay. And it will be uploaded. To check under knowledge sources, over here the document is going to be added in which you will receive a vector ID. That means the knowledge base is successfully uploaded. Next is AI assistant interface. Interface is what? This is the interface right here. This is how this AI assistant is going to be visible where? On the website of your business where you're going to attach this AI assistant. You can change the details that are written right over here. For that, we have this assistant interface. Firstly, you have to enter the brand name. For the brand name, let's suppose I'll write it as Fitness Center. So, okay, this is the brand name. You can see Fitness Center is going to be visible like this. If you want to change this line, you can enter the line right here. Initial message, there can be only maximum number of 2 initial messages. This is the initial message. You can enter another one also right over here. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be visible, toggle enable and disable it from here. Next, if you want this hyperlink text, you can enter the text and the link right here. Now next is user first message, the initial message that you can receive from the user's end. I have written over here as I need help. You can change it according to your requirement. Okay. Lastly, it is styling. Now what is the styling? If you want to change this interface according to your brand colors, you can definitely do that by entering all the colors, background images and everything right over here. Okay. So now as I've completed each and every section of this AI assistant. Simple, the AI assistant is created. Now to activate this, simply toggle this button on and save the AI assistant from here. It says AI assistant saved successfully. As now this AI assistant has been created. Now what we are going to do is we are going to test this AI assistant. For that, simply towards this bot that I've created, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message from my number as a member. So let me open my WhatsApp from here. So this is my message. I need help. I'm going to send this message right over here towards this AI assistant. As I forwarded this message, within few seconds this AI assistant is going to reply, I'm here to help. What do you need help with? So my first question over here is going to be, do you have female trainers? Okay, I'm going to send this question right over here and I've received a reply. Yes, we do provide both male and female trainers available across all branches. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. My next question over here is, do you provide diet plans? Okay, I want to know about the diet plans. So I'm going to send the question. It says, yes, we provide personalized diet plans created from our certified nutritionist based on your goals. Okay. My next question is, What services do you offer? Okay, I'm going to ask this next question. I have received a reply. We offer variety of services, gym workouts, personal training, group fitness classes like yoga and Zumba, nutrition guidance, fitness assignments, weight loss and muscle gain programs, and corporate wellness programs. Okay, I've received the reply. Now my next question over here is, where is your center located? Okay, I'm going to ask this last question right here that I have. And I've received the reply. We have branches in following locations: Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Okay, so as now this AI assistant is replying to all my messages, this means the AI assistant is now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. So did you see how simple it was to create an AI assistant and automate your WhatsApp conversations with your leads or members? Yes, that is very easy with Pabbly Chatflow. So why don't you go sign up and create your own assistant and make your WhatsApp conversation super easy. So go ahead, okay? And if you have any other questions or doubts while I was creating this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant agent, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue in Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link. If you want to try your own test bot today with Pabbly Chatflow, you can do it absolutely for free as we provide 100 free credit points. So go and check out Pabbly Chatflow today.